Today we're making a computer. Hello everyone! So I have a Mac Mini right now, and while I love it, I really do, I've gotten into 3D modeling and rendering recently, and it's just not cutting it, to be quite honest with you. And I would like to be able to play some games on the side. That's not my main priority. Wow, I'm out of breath. But I just bought, and I'd like to be able to stream a lot more, like doing live like drawings and stuff. So I wanted to make a computer that's future-proof and saving up at my job delivering pizzas. But I finally saved up enough, and now today we're making this. This isn't really gonna be a tutorial because Lord knows I would not be able to do a good enough job doing it. I'll actually be linking the tutorial I'm following by Linus Tech Tips, because obviously it's way beyond what I could ever do. But I probably could do a better job than The Verge. Alright, how we got it? Just like this? No. Son of a bitch. That's some good packing, if I do say so myself. Alright, do we just cut this thing open? I freaking sliced myself because I was so excited to open this thing. I hope that we don't need this bag. Yes, I know I don't have a thing for my blade. I'm sorry. Oh my. That's a pretty nice case we got there. Oh, it's cold. Ooh, I like that. Yeah. Did I mention this is my first time building a computer? I'm very nervous, to be quite honest with you. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Ah. Ooh. God damn, that's in there. Hello. How are you? Golden triangle, golden triangle. I think I see it. Okay. We're gonna lift up the retention arm. Oh my god, I am freaking out. Lift up the retention arm. Like that? Yes. Make sure it's up all the way. Good. Alright, if I need to go back to the tutorial, I will, but it's pretty straightforward. It's been described as Lego for adults. Alright, and then I actually like how it has the cutouts for you to specifically grab it by the sides. Okay, this is worth more than my life, so I want to be pretty careful. Wow! My hands are slippery. Ah. Okay. Oh my lord. I don't want to touch it anymore. I just want to be done with it. No pressure added. It should just fall in. Please, for the love. Holy Baba Bowie. Okay, come on. No pressure. It doesn't need any pressure. It should just fall right in. Thanks, Linus. Oh, Baba Bowie. I mean, I pushed it a little, but that was only because I barely touched it. I don't think I bent any pins. Hopefully. Jesus. CPU installed. Let's go. Here's a sticker if any of you want it. Let's cool this bad boy, Larry. I'm also gonna probably get an all-in-one liquid cooler. But I'm not in the financial situation to do so right now. So I figure, hey, my freaking $500 CPU comes with one, so why don't I use that for now? And oh my god, it's pretty beefy. Oh my lord, what the hell do I do with this? That is not natural. What? What is that? There's no screws in here. Alright, I think I'm gonna have to go to tutorial mode, because I don't even know where to start with this. This does not look like anything I watched a video on. Stay right there. Okay, awesome. So those things I took off actually didn't need to, because that's what these flapadoodles do. So we're just gonna, hey, what's up? I'm so afraid something will break. This computer. Ha! Oh my god, I'm such a shaky little
Baba Booey.
Ha! Get in there. Oh yeah. The manual says, hey, get those on there again, you stupid idiot, for taking them off. Then just place it on there. No big deal. I'm guessing it doesn't matter which way it goes. Up or down, I mean, in terms of that. Okay, Dylan, just chill out. Chill out, dude. Chill out, man. It's easy. See? See how fucking easy it is? See, Linus? It's easy. Some use iFixit spudger to get this thing on the other side of there. Ha! Hello? Did I do it? No? Well,
Baba Booey.
you then, mate. Holy sh!
Baba Booey.
I think it's installed. And then, oh! And then we just pull this boy up. Yes? No? I mean, it's on there pretty good. Okay, I believe that's installed. Okay, sick. Do the RAM. Let's do something easy. God damn. All right, we have some RGB Vengeance Pro for all you gamers out there. All right, so funny story. I did not plug in my CPU fan header, which according to this motherboard manual, which I'm actually going to leave open, is right here. So let's freaking get it. Just put that in. No, I'm a genius. Would you look at that? I just want to do the RAM. Why can't I do the RAM? Dylan, why do you have the processing power of the banana? It clearly goes in this way. Oh, they block one out so that you know. Unless you're an orangutan like me. I probably should have waited to plug these in, but you know what? It's okay. Now we're gonna take our 16 gig sticks of Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro. Honestly, it just looks good. We're gonna put it in a dual channel memory setup. And I got 16 gig sticks because I could potentially want to upgrade to 64 later on. But RAM is not too important for what I need. Okay, please just slide in there. This is supposed to be the easy part, Linus. See what went wrong? Nothing. Awesome. Yes. Yes. The little notch lines up. Oh, it's just a matter of force.
awesome. It's clicked. Now that I've had a mild heart attack, let us begin. Okay, let me zip tie that first because it'll annoy me. Okay. Now let's do our M.2 slot. Alright, so there's a little heat sink for it over here. I guess when you have this fast of storage, you need a heat sink for your freaking M.2 drive. Sure, let's go with that. English, I can speak it, I promise. I kind of cheaped out, well, not intentionally cheaped out, but they only had 500 gig M.2 SSDs at the store, and I was too impatient to wait, so I just got a 500 gig. I meant they're all out of 1 terabyte version, so I just got a 500 gig, which is fine, I guess. God, all of this stuff is so expensive. I'm so shaky when handling it. Huh. Holy
Baba Booey.
It's installed. M.2 drive is installed. Nearly. What the hell? Oh. Alright, so there's a lot of reasons I chose this case, but mainly, alright, so there's some wires in there. Not entirely sure what to do with those yet, but it has pre-installed standoffs, which is cool. What the hell does this do? The slide? I feel like this slides. Okay, I don't want to break it. So I want to line up the I/O shield. Alright, so that wire needs to go. So let's take a break, take a minute, analyze what we got going on here. Yeah. I gave this a little more slack so I can get the motherboard in. And then once I have that installed, there's a whole lot of cables on the other end, so I'll be mostly just cable managing and plugging stuff in. So let's do this. Oh, awesome! Phone call, yeah! Motherboard's going in. Shut the fuck up. Okay, that should be lined up. I/O shield is pre-installed because, like, every tech video, they're like freaking out, like, don't forget your I/O shield, don't forget your I/O shield. It's like, man, I'm not gonna freaking forget my I/O shield. All right, I found which one it is. All right, and once the motherboard is installed, it should be kind of So that is my rationale behind my graphics card. Because I know if you think this is a gaming rig, it might not make a lot of sense, but it's really not. I may do some light gaming on it, but it's not a gaming rig. All right, let's stand this up and see if it falls over and ruins my life. Hey, would you look at that? It works. Okay, we're just gonna slide this bad boy in there. So there's a filtered intake down there at the bottom. Ooh. Alright, we should probably turn this right side up. Alright, please don't fall out and ruin my day and my life. Oh my god, it's heavy. Hello. Just gonna throw you in there. Okay, then we can put these back on. All right, power supply installed. let's just toss this back on here. And what I like also about this case is it has like little sound dampening things in the panels. So that way it's nice and quiet when I'm trying to play Minecraft. Oh my God. All right, let's use our brain. How about that for a change? Get on there, you mother. All right, cool. Nice. Now time for the graphics card. Now I think this is the right way to do the PCIe things. I hope. Oh, and I can shut the ones I don't need for this anymore. All right. Please, just can something work? All right. You sly dog.
Why you no line up? Tell me. Tell me why you no.
There it is. All right, you know what? We're gonna go up to this slot because the fans are a little. They're a little too close to the bottom, and I don't think that'll fare well for thermals. I figured out the key. It was this thing. It was this thing over here the whole time. Just like that. Looking good. So technically, this should be a complete system. However, I'm a dummy dumb. So most likely I did something wrong and I'll have to go back and fix it. But let's see. All right, guys. So here it is. I have Miles Morales here for good luck, along with regular old Peter Parker.
Baba Booey, Baba Booey.
Not a good sign. So, as you can see, I'm very shaky. I'm not kidding, guys. This is possibly one of the most nerve-wracking experiences of my life. Like, it was pretty easy to put together, I'll be quite honest. It's a little scary just because I know how much I spent on all of these parts. I don't really want to mess it up. I'm either about to cry or be really happy. Oh wait, hold on, let me make sure the power supply's on. And the power supply wasn't on, that would have been awesome. Is power on? Awesome. Back to the drawing board. Hey, but this is getting power. I tried this. Oh,
Baba Booey.
I just hit the power switch. What the hell does that mean? VGA, dry. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to click, to be quite honest. Are all the fans spinning? All fans are spinning. Oh,
Baba Booey.
we're getting this.
Baba Booey.
Yeah, I did it. Delete or F2. So to F1, sure. I did it! I did it! Oh. All set. Windows is installed. Now it's time to put on the front panel. Alright, we're gonna put 2 Spider-Men in there just for good measure. And ready for this ASMR. Ooh. Ooh, that's what I like.
Thank you.
Okay, so it's been a day with the new computer, and this thing is an absolute beast. I've been editing the video you're watching now on it, and I did some Blender rendering, which was, it was absolutely insane. I'm just so excited to see what I can make with this computer, and it's just like a whole ceiling on the 3D environment has been kind of shattered. So there's really no excuse or limit for what I can do now. Yeah, this thing is crazy fast, and I can't wait to share with you what I make with it. So see you in the next one.